Hey, Foodie Chef Peter, and you know what today is? I'm wearing my green, my red, and white tablecloths today because we're making pasta fresh. Pasta fresco done the Carpizzo way. And the easy way is to get your bread mixer out that you've got sitting in the closet. Get your bread mixer out and let it do the hard work. Let it make your pasta dough. Just remember, when it's done, over here we've got it going. When it's done mixing, okay, take it out, let it rest for at least a half hour, and then you can roll it out using a machine or your rolling pin, easy way, whichever way you like, easy way, machine way, okay, and make fresh pasta because tonight I'm making pasta alla norma with eggplant, and I have an eggplant over here. Here's an eggplant, and I'm going to roast this eggplant and have it ready to put with our fresh pasta and our sauce we're going to make in our one-pan pasta norma dish tonight. Okay, so you get eggplant, you get fresh pasta, you get some sauce, you'll get happy. Because happy is what we do, and we cook, eat, and enjoy at Carpizzo's Kitchen. And I'm just so happy, and I'm just jumping up and down for joy because fresh pasta is the most beautiful thing. So if you've never done it, give it a try. It's real easy. And go into our Heal, Eat, and Teach Carpizzo's Kitchen and look up pasta. We have a beautiful list of pastas that's there that I've made. So this is Pete out.